Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best LED rope lights on the market right now. Whether you're looking for something to elevate your gaming setup, add a splash of color to your bedroom, or light up your outdoor patio, I've got you covered. I've tested and compared these products in depth to help you make the best choice for your needs. All the product links are in the description below, so let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly 20 feet neon rope lights by HTTPSMP. With a price tag of just $8.99, this product delivers surprising value for its cost. The lights feature vibrant multicolor illumination, making them a great option for adding a pop of color to your bedroom, gaming setup, or even outdoor spaces. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability in outdoor conditions, so you don't have to worry about rain ruining your setup. Plus, the music sync feature lets the lights pulse and change color in response to sound, which is perfect for parties or gaming. However, the build quality is where the budget price shows. The PVC material feels less premium and less flexible compared to higher-end options, which might limit its usability for intricate DIY designs. Additionally, this product includes only 150 LEDs, so while the light output is decent, it's not as bright or consistent as some of the other models on our list. The included remote control and app functionality via Lotus lamp are easy to use, but don't expect advanced customization options. Overall, this is a fantastic pick if you're on a tight budget or looking for an entry-level rope light for casual use. It's simple, functional, and affordable. But if you're looking for more advanced features or higher brightness, you might want to spend a bit more on one of the other options in our countdown. Coming in at number 4 is the ALBTN 20 feet neon rope lights. For just $9.99, this product offers a surprising array of features. With a focus on versatility, these lights can be bent and shaped into various designs, making them ideal for DIY neon signs or unique room decor. The music sync mode adds a touch of interactivity, as the lights respond dynamically to surrounding sounds, perfect for gamers, streamers, or party hosts. The app control via Lotus Lantern is intuitive, allowing you to customize colors and brightness levels with ease. One standout feature is its eco-friendly design. The low-voltage LED controller ensures these lights are energy efficient without compromising on performance. However, the ALBTN rope lights do come with some limitations. The light output, while vibrant, is slightly less bright compared to premium options due to its lower LED count, 150 LEDs. The build quality is decent, with a silicone construction that's flexible but not as durable as higher-priced models. It's also worth noting that while the lights are waterproof, the controller and power adapter require protection if used outdoors. In summary, the ALBTN neon rope lights strike a good balance between affordability and functionality. They're perfect for those who want basic yet stylish lighting with added features like music sync. While not the brightest or most durable option, they pack a lot of value into a small price tag. At number 3, we have the Momentum color-changing rope lights. These 33-foot lights offer 16 vibrant colors and a variety of modes, making them perfect for year-round use. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, or Valentine's Day, you can easily switch up the colors to suit the occasion. The remote control is user-friendly, allowing you to adjust brightness, set timers, and cycle through modes with ease. The IP65 waterproof rating means these lights are capable of handling outdoor conditions, though you'll need to protect the adapter and controller. The build quality is another highlight here. The thin yet durable construction makes it easy to wrap these lights around trees, fences, or furniture. While the LED count is lower at 100, the brightness is surprisingly solid for its price point. However, the lack of app control or advanced features like music sync might disappoint users looking for more interactivity. Overall, the Momentum lights are a fantastic mid-range option. They're ideal for anyone who wants reliable, colorful lighting that's easy to install and versatile. If you're looking for something simple, yet effective for both indoor and outdoor use, this is a great pick. Our runner-up is the Cozy Lady RGB LED neon rope lights. Priced at $26.99, this set offers an impressive 40 feet of lighting, divided into two 20-foot rolls. The silicone construction is both flexible and durable, making it perfect for creating intricate DIY designs. The 864 LEDs provide a bright and vibrant glow, far surpassing the illumination of lower-tier models. The included double-sided adhesive tape and mounting hardware offer two installation options, so you can choose between a seamless look or a more secure setup. One of the standout features is the music sync mode, which allows the lights to pulse and change colors in response to audio. The app control is intuitive, letting you customize brightness, colors, and even set timers for automated on-off functionality. While the lights are water-resistant and suitable for outdoor use, it's important to note that the controller and power adapter are not waterproof. The Cozy Lady lights offer a fantastic combination of brightness, flexibility, and customization. They're ideal for users who want high-quality lighting for both indoor and outdoor setups, with advanced features to enhance the experience. The only downside is that the controller isn't waterproof, which means you'll need to keep it indoors if used outside. Finally, at number 1, we have the govee rgbic neon lights. At $99.99, these lights are the premium choice on our list, and for good reason. The softer, more flexible silicone material allows for effortless shaping and installation, while the 64 preset lighting effects provide incredible customization. The standout feature here is the AI-powered lighting bot, which uses advanced algorithms to create unique lighting effects based on text, voice, or image input. Plus, the Matter compatibility ensures seamless integration with smart home ecosystems like Alexa and Google Assistant. Performance-wise, the brightness and color accuracy are unmatched thanks to govee's upgraded rgbic technology. The app is intuitive and packed with features, including shape mapping and DIY options for creating your own lighting patterns. While it's not waterproof, this product is designed for indoor use, making it perfect for bedrooms, gaming setups, or home decor. The govee rgbic neon lights are the ultimate pick for those who want top-tier performance, advanced smart features, and stunning aesthetics. While the price is on the higher end, the quality and functionality justify the investment. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the top 5 best LED rope lights. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or want to share your favorite LED lights? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy decorating.